Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain and Custom. And today in this session we will understand goods dispatch intimation to the buyer. So we will understand how this process is happen step by step. Okay, so this process start from factory dispatch. When we dispatch the goods from factory, we need to prepare some document for the custom clearance examinations. Okay, and behalf of that document, our shipment will examine in the custom. Okay, so document need to prepare as required by the custom. Okay, then after custom clearance examination, shipment get late export order from the government. Okay, late export order means that shipment is granted permission to export. All the legal and legal rules and formalities at the custom has been done, and now shipment can be exported. Okay, so after Leo, the shipment move for the seaport. Okay, maybe the custom clearance is the same port of the CR shipment examined at the ICD, but shipment at least finally reach to the seaport. Okay, and once shipment reaches the seaport, as per the time schedule, the goods loaded on the ship and departure from the port of loading. Okay, so this process is called ship on board. Okay, many times you have seen on the bill of lading, it mentioned that SOB date. SOB date means the ship, the cargo is loaded on the ship and ship is departures from the seaport. It's called SOB date. Okay, so this SOB date is very important. Okay, like a uh, it can by this date we can calculate the transit time because the actual shipment moving through ship from on this date. Okay. So at this stage, shipping line provide us bill of lading. Okay, so what we will do, we need to prepare the setup document for bank. Okay, you know that international payment is routed through the bank. Okay, so the document formalities need to be complete as per contract. Okay, so at this stage we have to prepare the setup document. Okay, so the we have to prepare some basic document like a custom commercial invoice. The commercial invoice prepared by the exporter. Then packing list, the same prepared by the exporter. And third document is a bill of lading. It's provided by the shipping line. Okay, so we have to prepare the basic document here. Okay, so after preparing bank document, sorry, we after preparing the set bill of lading, we need to also arrange the certificate of origin for the in respect of the certain countries. Then insurance, and then shipping bill. Okay, so this document need to submit in the bank for the foreign inward remittance. Okay, now this step has been done and the set of document we have submitted to bank. Now important thing is that the shipment is moved from the our country to the destination. So very important thing is that we need to intimate to our buyer that goods are moved from the seaport. Okay, so you have to be prepared for the import in your destination country. Okay, so intimation need to share with the buyer. So how we can share the intimation to the buyer? We need to share the details of the shipping line, like a shipment SOB date, okay, and port of discharge date and final destination date. Okay, so we can ETA and ETD, estimate time of arrival. Okay, so we need to share with to our buyer. Along with we need to share the setup document which we have submitted to the bank. So you can mention on that the copy of the document, because that if shipment is under document against payment, then in such case, if we share the original document directly to the buyer, then it will problem for the payment. So you have to send the scan copy as an intimation. So we need to share the detail of the ETA and ETD to the buyer with the documents like commercial invoice, packing list, and BL, which document can be used at the destination for import clearance. Okay, so main motive of this session is to intimate the buyer. You need to share the documents. Okay, so sometime we prepare the bill of lading. Okay, and the intimation and shipping line instruction given to the shipping line, we need to mention the email ID of the agent or importer on the bill of lading. So also shipping line also intimate to the buyer. Okay, we also intimate to the buyer, and shipping line also intimate to buyer and agent. So once the intimation receive the buyer, then he make arrangement for the custom clearance as per the shipment term and condition. Okay. So dear friends, we have tried to understand the procedure of the shipment movement and intimation to the buyer. So guys, thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.